St. John's is the capital city of which country? Antigua and Barbuda, Malta, Cyprus, Luxembourg. The correct answer is Antigua and Barbuda. What nickname was given to Mel Blanc, the legendary American voice actor? The man of many words, the voice of 1,000 faces, the man of 1,000 voices, the cartoon king. The correct answer is the man of 1,000 voices. How do you say it hello in Polish? Ola, bonjour, cześć, hello. The correct answer is cześć. What was the Anglo-Saxon social and political system based on loyalty and mutual obligations called? Comitatus, manorialism, friendship, lordship. The correct answer is comitatus. The Carthaginian Empire was renowned for its skill in what area? Architecture, maritime trade and navigation, sculpture, literature. The correct answer is maritime trade and navigation. Which painting depicts a lively scene of people enjoying themselves at a French cafe under a starry sky? Luncheon of the boating party, cafe terrace at night, the card players, a bar at the Folisberger. The correct answer is cafe terrace at night. Which empire conquered and ended the Byzantine Empire in 1453? Mongol Empire, Ottoman Empire, Persian Empire, Holy Roman Empire. The correct answer is Ottoman Empire. How are Glyptodon fossils usually found? Buried near riverbeds, encased in rock formations, inside amber, floating in tar pits. The correct answer is encased in rock formations. Dingoes are known for their distinctive striped tails, blue tongues, howling calls, spots on their backs. The correct answer is howling calls. Which modern artist is famous for creating shiny, oversized sculptures such as Balloon Dog? Damien Hirst, Takashi Murakami, Jeff Koons, Banksy. The correct answer is Jeff Koons. What is the complete Hebrew Bible commonly called? Torah, Talmud, Tanakh, Mishnah. The correct answer is Tanakh. Hypertension is the medical term for which health condition? High blood pressure, low blood sugar, rapid heartbeat, excess cholesterol. The correct answer is high blood pressure. Which historical period came between the Stone Age and the Iron Age? Bronze Age, Copper Age, Ice Age, Middle Ages. The correct answer is Bronze Age. What color are the clay courts used at the French Open tennis tournament? Red, green, blue, orange. The correct answer is red. What is the name of a twin bed that can be stored underneath another bed? Murphy bed, loft bed, trundle bed, rollaway bed. The correct answer is trundle bed.